Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we're starting to talk about subtraction. And we know that addition is to add numbers and subtraction is to take numbers away. And today, if you haven't already, go ahead and click on the link above this one to watch the Jack Hartman video. But if you have already, we're going to go ahead and read this book called Cupcake Capers. Now, as we read, I'm going to be writing out some equations, subtraction equations, and you'll see what those are. Today you don't have to write anything or do anything. You can just follow along and watch as I do the equations. And later you're going to be doing those on another day. But today I just want you to become familiar with them. So I'd like you to follow along. And I would like you to do one thing though. When you see a page or a couple pages where subtraction or taking something away takes place, point at the screen, okay? If you can see it, if you can spot it, okay? Let's see if you can spot all the places where that takes place. And on those pages, I am going to be writing some numbers on a piece of paper. So now let's go ahead and read Cupcake Capers. One day, Little Fox was outside in the trees when the smell of baking blew in the breeze. Father had placed 12 cupcakes on a plate. But as the cakes cooled, Little Fox had to wait. Now, boys and girls, it says there's 12 cupcakes, and there are, aren't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cupcakes. Wow, that looks delicious. No one will know if I just take one, said Little Fox to himself as he left on the run. Did you point at the screen? That is the first subtraction situation we have in this story where something is taken away. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my piece of paper and I'm going to write out the equation. So we had 12 to begin with, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. But he took one away. So how many's left? Let me go ahead and write out the equation. I'm going to write 12, and then I'm going to put the minus sign, which shows subtraction. And how many did he take away? Just one, right? Okay, so how many's left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is left. And on this side of the equation, I'm going to put the equal sign. Remember when we did that in addition? We would put a plus sign to show this and this is the same as this. Well, now on subtraction, we put this number minus or taking away this is the same as this. 12 minus 1 is the same as 11. So they balance. All right. Let's keep reading. Little Fox was still hungry, so he came back for some more. Uh-oh. Looks like the mouse is hungry too. But as he took 3, 1 dropped on the floor. So he took 3 off the table. Okay. So, boys and girls, how many did we start with? At the beginning of this situation, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember, there was 11. I'm going to put 11 right here. We're starting with 11. And he took away how many? 3. 1, 2, and 1, 3. 1 was on the floor, but there's 1, 2, 3 that he took off. So I'm going to put a 3 here, okay? So 11, taking away 3, or minus 3, is the same as how many's left? He took 3 away, how many's left up here? Not 11 anymore. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 8 left. So 11 minus 3 equals 8. This is the same as that. All right. So there's 8 cupcakes left on that tray. And we can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He thought to himself, they were just great. Oh my goodness, this fox is going to have a little stomachache, isn't he? Then he grabbed 3 more right off the plate. Okay, boys and girls, how many was on the plate just before here? There was, can you supersize that? There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there was 8. And he grabbed how many more? 3 more, right? Well, let's go ahead and write 8 is what we're starting with on this one. And subtracting 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now how many's left? 8 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. This is the same as this. If you have 8 and you take away 3, it's 5. Remember the pen balance we did? One side needs to be balanced with the other. And these are perfectly balanced. Let's keep going. Now don't tell me this fox is going to eat more. Oh goodness. When his sister found out, they crept into the kitchen. Uh-oh. There's his sister. There's 5 left. 2 each, she whispered. Father won't miss them. Okay, on this one, this problem, we started with 5, right? And they took away, how many? 2 each. Now 2 each is 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that on my equation. 5 minus 4, or 5, and then taking away 4, is, how many's left? Subitize it. 1. Alright, so if you have 5, and you take away 4, that's the same as 1. Or that's 1. That's another way to say it. Alright. Look at the mouse. He's still left out. Hey, but somebody's drinking that milk. Maybe it's him. Father Fox walked in to check on his cakes. Imagine his surprise when he saw the plate. Alright, boys and girls. Thank you for working with me today on subtraction. Have a great day.